Yo guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I was able to get these shots using my cell phone and a macros lens. Hey guys, so basically today I was a little bit bored and I wanted to go out and shoot some photography with the phone, but again, Japan here, again, they extended the lockdown, so we're a little bit more locked down. So I just basically went out with the USKEYVISION 75mm and just walked around my house here and just grabbed a bunch of shots, some of the plants and just whatever I thought was kind of interesting, because everything looked really cool on a macros lens. Wasn't using the moment case in this case. Have again the USKEY 75mm, which is a clip-on system. It's very solid, and the lens on here is huge. And the best thing, quick tip, that you want to make sure you have a lot of light, you know, and again, outside the sun, the best light, free lighting. So that's why I took advantage of it. It's kind of a cloudy, sunny day today. The sun is going in and out of the clouds, so some shots were brighter than others. But I'm just going to use the stock camera app, and we'll be shooting in full manual mode so I can control white balance, exposure, and focus. And that's pretty much all I'm going to do. And I might grab a couple of shots of just some video using the stock camera app, or I might jump into MC Pro and grab a couple of shots there too. So enough of the jibber jabber. Let's get in and see what we can do. So we got some really cool shots. I'm quite pleased with this lens. Again, this lens is really cool. If you guys are interested in more details about this lens, I have a full review. You can take a look at this video here. It's a full review of the USKEYVISION. I'll have the links down in the description also for the info on this if you guys are interested into that. And make sure you guys jump onto the email. I'll have an email down there, email crew, which you'll get a little bit more content out there that I'm not releasing on YouTube about basically how I've been making YouTube videos and things like that. So if that's something that you might be into, let me know down below. Jump on the email crew, and yeah, that's it. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Get out there and start shooting some shots. Patrick Levar, peace.